Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I am so super excited because I am participating in the Great Gift Wrap Challenge. This challenge is hosted by This and That with Denise, Jordan, and Around the House with Cheryl. Thank you so much, Denise and Cheryl, for hosting this collaboration. Guys, I have to say, I truly enjoy wrapping Christmas gifts. Now, it is easy to just put things in a gift bag, and you can make the gift bags really pretty and embellish those. But for me, I think it is extra special when the gift is wrapped and you can see someone tearing open the wrap paper. I just love it, especially for the kids, and it's fun for them also. It's kind of like part of the Christmas experience, right? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I wrap my Christmas gifts for my family. So if you're interested in seeing how I wrap my gifts and also make them look very professionally wrapped, then just keep watching.
Okay guys, so here are the items that I'll be using to wrap my gift. I have wrapping paper, my scissors and tape. I have some embellishments here, a pick, and I have ribbon. Some I've already used and one is brand new. This is some gift wrapping tissue paper and gift boxes. Now here's my gifts that I'll be using. I'm not sure about this candle just yet, but I have it out just in case. And these are the other gift items that I'll be gifting. So let's get wrapping. So as you guys can see, I did change my mind on the gifts that I'll be giving for this gift. So instead of doing the candle, I've added a few more of these items that fit perfectly into this small gift box. So I'll just wrap everything in. I'm showing you guys how I wrap things inside the box before we wrap the outside. And here I'm deciding to add in a little bit of tissue paper to fill in the box so that the items don't slide around too much. So to me, the most professional looking gift wrap gifts are the ones that are used with a high quality gift wrapping paper. So when I'm doing gifts for adults, I like to use a quality gift wrapping paper, and I did pick this paper up from Marshall's. It was only $2.99 and it was on clearance. So I like to get them after the season from Marshall's or Burlington's. They both have very good quality wrapping paper at a reasonable price. Now for the kiddos, of course, Dollar Tree it is. I'll use the Dollar Tree wrapping paper because it's thinner, it's easier for them to just rip apart. But for adults, I like for it to look very nice and professional, so I use a quality gift wrapping paper. So when your gifts are nicely wrapped, then look at how perfect that looks. You could just simply add a bow and be done. But here we are going to go big with our embellishments. And so I'll just show you guys how I like to be extra and wrapping my gifts sometimes. But this is optional, but this is a way to show you guys how easy it is to really embellish your gift without, having to do a whole lot of work. It's really simple and easy and very professional looking also. And as you can see, I'm using the ribbon to cover the seam on the back of the gift, so you don't have to see where the seams connect there. But we did make it very neat, so if you do see it, it's okay. But in this case, we're going to cover that.
Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and if so, please be sure to go ahead and click the thumbs up button. That lets me know that you've enjoyed this video, and I'll do more, because you can wrap gifts not just for Christmas but for birthdays, housewarmings, wedding gifts, there's lots of reasons to wrap gifts, and so I could show you guys other ways to wrap gifts or how to embellish gifts, but this is the basic way to do it if you want to just know how to wrap your gifts to look very neat and professionally done. Alrighty guys, again, let me say a huge thank you to Denise and Cheryl for hosting this collab. Be sure to check the description box below for the playlist. And if you are new here, welcome. I'm so very happy to have you here. I hope that you have enjoyed this video enough to go ahead and click the subscribe button. And while you're at it, please be sure to go ahead and click the notification bell. That way you won't miss any videos that I upload, especially during this holiday season, because I'll be giving you guys lots of tips, ideas, and inspiration on how to decorate your home on a budget during the holiday season. Alrighty guys, and for my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.